car is broken down on a lonely street. Rain on the window, nowhere to be. Phone almost dead, night coming fast. I thought to myself, this day's a mess. I kicked the tire, laughed at my luck, when headlights slowed down and then suddenly stopped. You rolled your window, smiled and said, need some help. That's how it began. In a moment I didn't plan, life changed direction right where I stand. Oh, my car is broken down, but my heart woke up right there on the side of the road. I was feeling lost, then you showed up like a sign I didn't know I was shown. If that engine never failed that night, I might have never known your name. My car broke down, but love found its way. We talked while waiting for the tow, about small dreams we never told. You joked about my terrible day, I laughed like the rain just went away. Coffee at midnight, one turned to two, street lights blinking, hours flew. Funny how fate can be so kind, disguises bad timing in disguise. What felt like wrong felt right somehow. The best things come when plans break down. My car is broken down, but my heart woke up in the most unexpected place. I was going nowhere, running out of luck, then I ran straight into your face. If that engine didn't give up that night, if everything just went my way, my car broke down. But love stayed, and maybe fate has a funny way of pulling the brakes so we don't escape the moment we're meant to be in, the story we're meant to begin. My car is broken down, years pass by, but we still laugh about that day. Every mile now you're by my side, on every road come what may. Sometimes love needs a reason to stop, so hearts can finally meet, so you could find me, so you could find me. Now every time that warning light comes on, I just smile and hold your hand, because the best journey I've ever been on started when my car couldn't stand.